Wait, so you're telling me that you knew Isaac's father was hitting him?
Hitting him, he was kicking the crap out of him.
Did you ever say anything to anyone? Teacher, parents, anyone?
Nope. It's not my problem.
No, of course not. You know, it's funny that the kids getting beaten up are always the ones who least deserve it.
Yeah. Wait, what?
I think we're done here. Hi, Scott.
Boys. Come on in. Scott McCall. Academically, not the most accomplished, but I see you have become quite the star athlete. Mr. Stilinski. Ooh, perfect grades, but little to no extracurriculars. Maybe you should try lacrosse.
Actually, I'm already...
Hold on. McCall. You're the Scott that was dating my granddaughter.
We were dating, but not anymore. Not dating. Not seeing any of each other or doing anything with each other at all.
Relax, Scott. You look like you're about to crack a cyanide pill with your teeth.
Just a hard breakup.
Oh, that's too bad. You seem like a pretty nice kid to me. Now listen, guys, yes, I am the principal, but I really don't want you to think of me as the enemy.
Is that so?
However, this being my first day, I do need to support my teachers, so unfortunately, someone is going to have to take the fall and stay behind for detention.